Hello, this is Auret here, and welcome back to another Etsy tips video for you. In this video, we're going to talk about what are Etsy shop updates and how to use them to your advantage to get more sales in your store. So I'm going to talk a little bit about what Etsy shop updates are, what they can do for your store, and how to actually post an Etsy shop update. So an Etsy shop update is kind of like Etsy's little version of creating a social network platform. So basically, you know how you throw a post up on Facebook? This is kind of like that. So you can actually post on Etsy, and that shop update, as they call it, that post, which is an image along with a caption, is going to go out to all of your fans. And when I say all of your fans, that means everybody who's ever favorited your shop, everybody who's ever favorited a particular listing in your store, and everyone who's ever bought from your store. So it's really cool because it's kind of like it's like a little mini email list, a little way to engage with people who have already told you that they like your store. And what it is you posting an image along with a caption, and you can also link directly to a listing on your store. So whatever your post is, it always has to relate to your shop. And it could be things like, showing your work environment, or doing a behind the scenes of how something is made, snapping a photo of someone wearing your item or that item in its environment, meaning like if you sell artwork, for example, you want to take a photo of it with your piece of artwork on a wall. So things like that. And you can get creative in terms of what it is that you can post. If you're holding a promotion or a sale, post something related to that and let all of your past buyers and people who have favorited your store know that you are having a sale, because they might have liked something, and then if that item goes on sale, they might be more inclined to purchase it. Anytime you release a new item in your store is also a good opportunity to post a shop update. And whenever you do post a shop update, anyone who's interacted with your store will see your update in their dashboard. So either on Etsy.com or in the home feed of the Etsy app. This is because buyers see a personalized feed whenever they come to Etsy.com on their homepage or on the app. They see a personalized feed of items and shops that they've already interacted with. So it could be a really good habit to get into if you're posting shop updates all the time. I would say at least once a week, but a little bit more if you can. You definitely don't want to bombard those people that have interacted with your shop, but just let them know that you're still around. So I say maybe 1 to 3 times a week is a good kind of medium. Okay, so now you know a little bit about what Etsy shop updates are. Let's actually show you how to post an Etsy shop update. And by the way, you can only do this through your mobile phone. So you can't post an Etsy shop update from your computer or laptop or desktop. You have to have the Sell on Etsy app. So make sure you go to your app store and download that first. Log into the app with your Etsy login. And from there, you'll be able to post your shop update. So this is what the Etsy app looks like. It's called Sell on Etsy. And once you've downloaded it and logged in, just open it up and you'll come to your shop overview or dashboard. You'll just need to first click on More, which is the 3 lines on the bottom right corner, and then go to where it says Marketing, and then go to Social Media. So in there, you're actually able to create social media posts, connect your social media accounts, and it's actually a great place to live in if you are using social media to share the listings that you have on your Etsy store. So once you're in there, just scroll all the way down on the bottom and you'll see it says Shop Updates. Share photos of your products and process with the Etsy community. So you'll see here you'll have 3 options, and it suggests, okay, take a photo of something to do with your workspace or your process, showing how you build your items. And or you can do something showing your item in the wild. So wherever your item lives, its environment, take a photo of that. So I actually have something that is in the wild. I have an image that I want to post of my photo. So to show you how to do this, I'm actually going to post a shop update to our store, and we sell custom designed shirts. So we design them first in Photoshop, and then we print them and make them into t-shirts. And we also do mugs as well. And I have a photo of one of our customers who actually sent me a photo of their son who's having who's celebrating his 3rd birthday and was so happy to wear one of the shirts that she bought for him. So I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna tap on your item in the wild because that's the kind of post that I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna go to the plus sign. And then it's going to say, do you want to take a photo now or choose an existing photo? So I'm going to choose it because I already have it here. And this is so cute. Like I said, her son was celebrating his 3rd birthday, and his whole birthday was train themed. So she bought him this choo-choo shirt. This is one of the designs that we have in our store. And took a photo of him wearing it. And it was so cute. I love receiving images like this from our customers. So I want to celebrate that, and at the same time, I'm going to link this shop update directly to that listing. So once you can kind of like move it around in place, or you can like zoom. I think you can zoom. Yeah, you can zoom up on something, slight Instagram-ish here, and then you don't have a way yet to add filters or anything as such. So if you want to edit your photo, make sure you do it beforehand. Before you upload it into the app. And then click on next when you're ready. And then it's going to ask you to tag the photo. So tagging the photo means attaching it to one of your listings, to a related listing. So I'm going to tap on that and then type in choo-choo. Oh, that's actually the adult. We have an adult version of that shirt. So let's link it to the kids one right here. Choo-choo train t-shirt for kids, and then I'm going to tap on next. And then it's going to ask you what's happening in this photo. So this is where you can kind of type out your own caption. So especially with a photo of this nature, wherever you can, I think like a little mini story works really well to help connect the people who are interested in your store to your items. So I'm going to write a little caption about this adorable little boy and his 3rd birthday, and we'll come right back after I've written that. All right, I'm all done writing up my caption. You can see here I wrote, "Love receiving messages like this from our customers. She bought our Choo Choo Kids tee for her son to celebrate his 3rd birthday, which was train themed. Shop this cute tee if you know someone who is loco for locomotives. Ha ha ha." Comes in adult sizes too. So wherever you can, you want to kind of tell a story about what it is that they are seeing in the image in as few words as possible, and then give them a call to action. So I say in as few words as possible because you only have 255 characters when you're writing this caption. So just keep that in mind. So once you're done that, click on done. And then there you go. So you can go, once you click on share on Etsy, this image will go out to all of your customers who have previously bought from you, everyone who's ever favorited your shop or your listing, and they will see that in their home feed. You'll also be able to see that this shop update is posted if you go to your shop and then scroll down to the very bottom under the reviews where it says updates, and then there you'll be able to see your collection of all the updates that you posted, like you see here, along with the listing that you've attached it to and your little caption. Now what's cool about this is that if you've connected your social media accounts, it will also post this update, if you tell it to go to your other social media accounts. So that's pretty awesome, because if someone retweets or repins or shares your post on a different social media platform, you are potentially reaching a lot of people who can click directly from that post and come to your store, directly to that listing. So guys, that's it for this video. Let me know if this has been helpful for you. Get creative with the shop updates as well. There's a ton of things that you could do. And keep in mind, like I said, the Etsy community is all about connecting, creating that trust with your buyers and your potential customers. So it's all about storytelling and getting your Etsy community to get to know you and like you and trust you. So don't use these shop updates as just a simple way to spam your Etsy community, just promoting everything. Give them a reason to really engage and connect with whatever it is that you're sharing. If you're looking for more tips on selling your items on Etsy and getting more people to see your listings, take a look at our Etsy playlist. I've created a bunch of videos relating to tags, how buyers find your items in the search, and a bunch of other things that you might find helpful. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Back from the dead.